Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today we are going to make such an amazing animation in Scratch, which is for Scratch beginners, that is dance animation in Scratch. So first let's see the demo of this project. As you all have seen, this is very easy animation. Background is there, even a one character is there which is dancing, and even the music is there. So let's see the coding. Coding is very simple. We have to just use some blocks, and again we have to duplicate them, and in background we have to take a sound dance around. So let's click on file and take a new page, and let's make a new one. So before I start this project, I would like to tell you all that if you are new on my channel and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get all notifications. And now let's start. First we will delete our sprite cat, and first we will go on background. We will click on music and we will choose spotlight. Then we will go in sprite library. We'll click on dance and we will select a character of dance which will dance. So let's see which one is better. All characters are here which are of dancing. Let's take this Champ 99. You can take anyone as you want. I am taking Champ 99, and let's put its position. If you want to make its size somewhere small, so we can make it, but I want it to be here only, or it can be stand here like this, or let's make it size small. We can do it 90. How it will be, let's see. This one is somewhere good. Now let's click on backdrop and go on sound, delete pop sound, go on sound library, okay, and choose a sound and search something like dance. So you will get many sound, many music. Let's search dance. Okay, after searching dance, let's click on dance around. This one is very good. Now let's take the sound dance around. We have taken the sound dance around, and let's click on event block, take when the green flag, click, then go on control block, take forever, and go on sound, take play sound dance around until done. Now click on character which will dance and click on when the green flag will click. You can see here when the green flag will click, go on control block, take forever block, go on looks, take costume, and now we have to just duplicate it. We will try all costume, we will duplicate it. Let's see. This one also, again you can download it like this. Many duplicates you can done. We will put this here. You can see this one will be here, again this one 4, okay, this 5 and 6 till here we have done. Let's make it size small. Make it Champ 99A, B, then costume C, and we'll take costume D, then E, F, and one more costume we need, that is Champ 99G. Now for that, now we have to put some distance, put some time, and for that some time management is needed here. Otherwise what will happen, that all sprites, all the costume will move continuously. There will be no time. The between some time space should be there. So let's put a wait for 1 second. We can do it. Scroll it down and take wait 1 second again, and don't forget in last also we have to put wait 1 second. Now save it Click on green flag and see. You can see here, let's see on full screen. So this project is now ready, and you can see how it was so easy. And for scratch beginners, this is the very simple and great project. So try it and be good in coding. So yes friends, this is all about today. If you like this video, so please like it, share it, tell me in comment section how was this video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I need your support. If you will support me, I'll make more videos. So for watching more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.